This video is going to be a product review of the Geekoto 58-inch ultra-compact, lightweight aluminum tripod with a 360-degree panorama ball head used for video, for a regular SLR camera, a DSLR. You can use it as a tripod, a monopod, use it for YouTube videos. And so let's get this thing out of the box. It's out of the box over there. That's the info. Don't have to really do an unboxing. It comes with a nice case. Take it out of the case and we'll see what's in here. This will support a camera. Wow, this is beefy. I'm impressed. This will support a camera that is about 18 pounds, and the tripod weighs about 2.8 pounds. So I make a lot of videos for YouTube. I've got about 800 on my channel right now, and I will tell you the most important thing you need when you are doing a video is a tripod. The camera is not that important. The lighting is not that important. The tripod is what matters. If you don't have a stable camera, you're going to have a terrible picture. So we've got, looks like a 1/4-20 thing over here. We've got some instructions, have an Allen head screw. Let me go take this thing out now, and I'll get it set up and I'll give you my opinion. Now, what I want to do in this review is I just want to set it up without reading the instructions, just to see what I actually got here. This is, I have a tripod right now I'm using. It's nothing like this. This is beefy. This is quality. This is nice. I mean, look at this thing. This is solid. This is beautiful. Okay, so it's going to be a little awkward to show you everything, unless I tilt the camera up a little bit, which is what I want to do here. I think this will go from 15 inches down to about 15. And right now, I use 2 tripods. I have to use a really small table tripod. Let's say I had to use a small table tripod, because this is going to take care of everything right now. This is a perfect table tripod, and this will serve the purpose of a small tripod, and it also extends up to 58 inches. I believe they also sell one that goes even higher. So let's look at the mechanism on here for angling. You press down on, you press down, and so you've got your different angles. It will lock in place. And it looks like it does that for all 3 of the legs. Okay. These are tight fits. There's no doubt these are tight fits. We have, how do these work? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay, the tripod that I'm using right now, I've got to go in there and I've got to screw the legs together to tighten everything up. You don't have to mess with that with this tripod. You just pull the little lever over here and extend it. This is awesome. Check this out, people. Look at this thing. That thing, it just drives me crazy with the tripod that I've been using, where I've got to go in there and screw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 of these things together. With this, you don't have to do that. You just go in there and you get everything adjusted the way you want, press the little lever, lock it in place, and you are done. So this is incredible. I'm very happy with this so far. I'm going to extend it out now all the way, and we're going to see what it looks like. Excuse all the mess on the floor over here. This is the tripod almost extended. It's extended with all 3 legs, and now we're going to go in and extend it again. We've got a turn piece over here, and yeah, I definitely want you to see this. This comes in handy. We got a little hook on here. I believe that is for weight. That's normally for weight. That's also, I believe, so you can take this thing apart to use it as a monopod. Okay, so we can tighten that down over there, and then we should be able to do that again to get even more height, I believe. God, look at this tripod. This is just incredible. So this thing is almost, it's about 5 feet 6, 5 feet 8 inches tall or something. Look at this. It's beautiful. Okay, and as I said, we've got the adjustable pieces over here, so you can go in there and change the angle of your legs if you need to do that. Which on occasion I do need to do that. All the time when I'm doing videos, like right now, I need to extend. So this is a really important thing to be able to have. There was talk of the 360-degree panorama part of the tripod, and yeah, this thing will... I just got it, so I can't give lots of detail, but this is a very nice quality tripod, and this is going to become the only tripod that I use right now. We got an adjustment over here for the ball mechanism to lock it down. And so when you're taking photos, I shoot video. When I'm shooting video, a lot of the times I'll have a product on the table and I'll want to take the camera and tilt it downward like this, and I will be able to do that with this. What else do we have? We've got the adjustment over here so that you can lock this mechanism in place so it doesn't turn. And we have a looks like a level bubble over there. Yeah, that's a level bubble. Okay, and then we have this thing, which is what we always use to attach the camera. You put this on the camera and you can just hook it onto the tripod. So I'm going to put this on a camera. There it is. I've screwed it onto one of my cameras, and let's check it out now and see how it works. Put it in place, lock it down. This, what can I say? This is a quality tripod. The price is absolutely incredible for what you're getting. And so for me, this is what I would be normally doing. I'd be angling things down and filming at a table. I would lock it in place. I would lock the angle in place. I would tighten this thing down so it doesn't spin. Again, if I needed to go, which I do every day, if I needed to get just a little bit more height, I would loosen this and I would raise the camera up just to grab that last foot of height that I need to do the angle over the table, which is just a common thing that I do all the time. So if you're going to be filming a product, let's get the camera adjusted a little higher. If you're going to be filming a product, you would want to be able to tilt. Oh, I'm just thrilled. I am absolutely thrilled and excited to have this tripod. So you'd be able to angle it, and then you'd be able to position this and film straight downward. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. And the thing that I'm just loving about this right now, as I said, these great holders for the legs so you don't have to go in there and do the tightening like we all have to do. Over there you've got the detachable monopod. So what else can I say except this is really a great tripod. Aluminum, lightweight. God, is this light. I mean, the weight is all coming from the camera because this thing is just very lightweight quality aluminum. And I'm thrilled. I'm really thrilled. So the features that I can say is it's lightweight. The thing that makes me really happy, the stuff that really makes me thrilled, is I like how easy it is to do all the adjustments. This ball on here is really smooth, very easy to turn and adjust and get the right angle that you want. It's slid on the tripod. The bracket was really easy to slide on. I'm sure if you've got other cameras and you need to buy additional brackets, you would probably be able to get them from the seller. You've got your adjustments here. I'm not sure that I'm going to ever need those adjustments. The ball level, I don't know if I'm ever going to use that, but I will totally use the height adjustment here and the height adjustment here. Very smooth, really smooth. Good quality. It feels great. It's a good quality tripod. And again, my favorite. I just love this. And anybody that does a lot of video will understand exactly what I'm talking about. When you're done with video, when you're setting it up, nobody wants to go in there and turn those legs and tighten them down. So this is the way to go. Nice and simple. And that is going to be my review. Let's do a little zoom in over here. That's going to be my review of the Geekoto 58-inch aluminum tripod. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. So my opinion on this thing, yeah, this is definitely worth the money. The price, you just cannot beat the price. The tripod that I'm using right now, I'm just going to add this in, the tripod I'm using right now that I've been using costs twice as much as this thing and gives me nothing but aggravation and trouble. So it's going to be a joy to set this up and be using this as my only tripod right now. And again, you can also, like I said, shorten this thing down and you end up getting a 15-inch tripod. And if you need to extend it a little higher on the table, that's perfect too. So 15 inches to 58 inches, can't beat it. 2.8 pounds aluminum tripod, can't beat that. And this will hold an 18-pound camera. So you're getting a good quality tripod, good deal, 5-star product, totally recommend it. Thanks for watching.